How to make the faraway look far away in watercolour. Those faraway hills would be green if we were standing on them. They'd be green in the same way that the grass doggo is sitting on is green. But because the hills are far away, they look bluish or greyish or shadowy. It's to do with the way the light behaves. The important thing to know is that if distant things are painted that colour, the viewer unconsciously knows they're over there while we're still right here. One of the most useful colours for painting distant things, whether trees, mountains, fields or buildings, anything far away, is what I call shadow colour. This is a mix of ultramarine blue and light red. Add the red to the blue and try it out on scrap paper. There is a very wide range of colours between light red, a mix, and ultramarine blue. Just some are illustrated here. For distant hills, a pale shadow colour is required. Always try it on scrap paper first. When happy with the colour, paint in the faraway mountain range, preferably with just 1 or 2 sweeps of the brush, so the paint underneath is not disturbed, and so the colour remains clear and doesn't go muddy. Then, with a darker shadow colour, when the first sweep of paint has dried, paint in the nearer hills or fields. With a clean, damp, wet brush, sweep along the bottom of the second layer of paint to soften it, so there is no hard line of paint left on the paper. This is when using the same colour. The furthest hills are painted in a paler version of the shadow colour than the nearer hills. Even when you use the same colour for over there as you do for right here, you still need to use it in a paler version of itself to create the illusion of depth. Far hills, closer but still far away trees, and close trees. Paint the far hill, add in colour as you come forward to where you are. Here I've added in yellow to suggest that despite it raining over there, where the clouds come down over the far hill, there is still sun shining somewhere closer to the viewer. The dog hair is obligatory in this house, it will be removed later. To make something look far away, paint it in a lighter or paler tone than you used to paint something close.